Hi everyone, welcome back to 10th standard maths class. Our next chapter is chapter 6 coordinates. All of us have address and all the buildings also have address, isn't it? In that address, house number, street, landmark like near to or opposite to something, then pin code, district, state, everything like that which help to locate that particular place will be there, isn't it? Same like that we can locate a point in a plane. Okay, a point in a plane, we can identify the exact position of a point in a plane that we are going to learn in this chapter. And this is using to make maps, atlas, then in so many fields this is using. Okay, so let's start the chapter. In order to locate a point in a plane, first of all we have to learn about number line. Okay, this already you learn in 9th standard. Basic you learn in 9th standard. Okay, so here this is the number line. Okay, one perpendicular line and one horizontal line. Two lines are there. And this horizontal line is x. Okay, here x and here x dash. I will explain that later. First of all, you just understand this horizontal line is x and this vertical line or perpendicular line is y. This is y and next is y dash. These two perpendicular lines, mutually perpendicular lines, intersect at a point. Okay, intersect at a point. This point is known as origin. Okay, origin. And this origin, this number will be 0. Always this will be 0, that point. Okay, now next is, as I told, this horizontal line is known as x-axis. Okay, x-axis, first one is x-axis. Then this vertical line, okay, this vertical line is known as y-axis. Okay, so these two are the coordinate axis. These two are the coordinate axis. First one is x-axis, next is y-axis. Okay, now we can mark points here. Before plotting the point, we have to give the numbers to this x-axis and to the y-axis. Okay, we already know how to give the numbers. Always the number should start from 0. Okay, from the 0 it is spreading to 4 sides. From the 0 you can see 4 lines here. First line, second line, third line, fourth line. Okay, to all these 4 lines we have to give numbers. So let's start from 0. Next will be what? 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It is continuing. This arrow means it is endless, continuing. Okay, now towards up also we have to give the numbers. Here also start from 0, 0. After 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, don't start from top, you have to start from the center point. Okay, next towards here also you have to give numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Towards down also you have to give numbers from 0. Next is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now here this portion, okay, you can see one L shape here. This is first quadrant. Okay, this is first quadrant. Then next portion, that means this portion, here also you can see one shape. Okay, this is second quadrant. Okay, this is second quadrant. This plane is known as second quadrant, and this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant, and speciality is there for each quadrant. That means here in this position, okay, in this first quadrant, if we plot any point here, that point will be positive. Okay, and before that we can write the numbers. Okay, we can write the point as coordinate. It is written as xy, ordered pair xy. Okay, like this we will write the coordinate of each point. Here the first number will belong to x-axis, then second number belongs to y-axis. Okay, first number belongs to x-axis, second number belongs to y axis. Okay, so it will read as ordered pair. Okay, it's a pair of two numbers, two axes will be there. Okay, so it is ordered pair xy. Always the first will be x, then second will be y. Okay, now I will show how to mark a point. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third, fourth, keep it aside. Here let's mark how to plot a point. For example, if we have a point here, okay, suppose we have a point here, we have to locate this point. Here, in order to locate that, we have to check which is x number. That means x-axis number is what, then y-axis number is what. For that, use your scale. Okay, use your scale, then mark downwards. Okay, mark downwards. When you mark downwards, you can see that is n at the point 3. Okay, here the number is 3, and that is in x-axis. Okay, so x-axis number will be 3. So first number we got 3. Next, towards the y-axis also you have to mark. Two axes you have to draw. First to the x-axis. So we got 3 as a point. Next, towards the y-axis, just draw a straight line. Okay, you can see it end at the point 1. Number is 1 here. That means y number is 1. So this coordinate is, this point coordinate is ordered pair 3 1. This is 3 1. That means from the origin this point is 3 centimeter towards the right side, and its height is towards up, it is 1 centimeter. Okay, this line, okay, this horizontal line is distance towards the point. Okay, so from the origin this point is 3 centimeter away to the right and 1 centimeter. That means y coordinate is 1 here. So 1 centimeter is the height of this point. Okay, towards up it is 1 centimeter, towards right it is 3 centimeter. So this is the way to locate a point. One more example. Here any point you can mark like this. Okay, suppose this is the point. First of all, draw downwards. You can see this is n at the point 6. So this point's x coordinate will be 6. Then y coordinate. In order to get the y coordinate, like this. So you can see 4. So 6 4. So 6 4 is the coordinate of this point. Okay, 6 4 is the coordinate of this point. Now if we have to draw a coordinate 5 2. Okay, if we want to draw a coordinate 5 2, numbers point is not here, we have to locate a point 5 centimeter distance and 2 centimeter height. Okay, 5 centimeter distance and 2 centimeter height. How to plot that point? For that, x is 5. X is 5. First one always x, second one will always y. Okay, so x is 5 means first of all mark the point 5. Then draw a perpendicular line. Okay, from the point 5, just draw a perpendicular line like this. Okay, then next is y coordinate. Y coordinate is what? 2. Y coordinate positive 2. Both are positive. Okay, y coordinate 2 means where is that positive 2 in that y line? Here. That means from that point 2, we have to draw a horizontal line like this. And where that these two lines meets, that point will be 5 2. Okay, that point will be the coordinate 5 2. This is the way to plot a point. Okay, now this is about the first quadrant. Speciality of first quadrant is all the numbers will be positive. That means this all are positive. 1 2 3 4 5 6 x-axis. Then this y-axis also positive numbers. And next one, towards left, all are negative. This is negative, this is negative. All the numbers are negative. Okay, now towards down also negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4, like that. Okay, this is a way to draw the number line. towards right positive numbers, towards left negative numbers, towards up positive numbers, towards down negative numbers. Okay, L shape full positive, remaining will be negative. Like that you can identify. Okay, now second quadrant also we have x and y, isn't it? X axis is there, y axis also there. All the points is of the form xy. Here x axis is what? This is the x axis. Here when you mark a point, you will get the x axis numbers as what? Negative. So second quadrant, in the second quadrant, if the point is in the second quadrant, that first number will be negative number, then y axis is positive, because second quadrant is plus y and minus x. Okay, now the third quadrant, in the third quadrant all the numbers are negative. X axis is the negative numbers, y axis also negative numbers. So here the numbers will be minus x and minus y, like this. Okay, all the numbers of the form minus x and minus y, like minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, like that. Now the fourth quadrant, x axis is the what? Positive number, so plus x. Y axis is what? Y axis is negative number, so plus x and minus y. Okay, so first quadrant xy, all are xy. Second quadrant minus x, y. Third quadrant minus x, minus y. Fourth quadrant x and minus y. Now coordinate of origin. Okay, this point also we have a coordinate origin. Coordinate of origin is 0 0. Okay, coordinate of origin is 0 0, because from this point we can't move to anywhere, because it is a meeting point, so that coordinate is 0 0. Now if we have a point in the line itself, not in the plane, in the line itself we have a point, for example this point. Okay, how to write the coordinate of this point? Coordinate means ordered pair xy. Like this we have to identify the point. Okay, so x number means, for the previous section we draw perpendicular line towards the x-axis, but from this point we can't draw a perpendicular line because it is already in that line itself. So 2 is a point in the x-axis, so x number will be what? 2. And y coordinate, towards y we have to draw a perpendicular line. That line already is there. Okay, this is a line. Okay, that means y coordinate will be what? 0. So 2 0 is the coordinate of this point. That means all the coordinate of a point in the horizontal line. Okay, all the points coordinate of a point in the horizontal line have y-axis 0. Okay, all the points y-axis will be 0. For example, if it is a 6 here, okay, if point is a 6, how we will write the coordinate? 6 is in the coordinate x, so point will be 6 0. Y coordinate is what? 0. Same towards the left also. If a point is here 4, minus 4, okay, minus 4 is in the horizontal line, that means x dash. Anyway, it is x-axis. Okay, so minus 4, y coordinate means towards y we need to draw a perpendicular line, that already there. Okay, so here also the point is where? Y coordinate 0. So the coordinate will be minus 4 0. Here also y coordinate is 0. That means coordinate of any point in the horizontal line. Okay, in the x-axis, all the points coordinate in the x-axis have y coordinate 0. Y coordinate will be 0. Similarly, coordinate of any point in the y-axis, coordinate of any point in the y-axis, it is reverse. X-axis will be 0. We'll show you. If we are going to mark a coordinate of this point for 1, okay, how we will write? 1 is in y-axis, that means that is the second number. Okay, 1. Now we need x number, x coordinate we need. X coordinate means towards the x we have to draw a line. Okay, that is a rule. Whatever be the point, we have to find the towards the x what is the number and towards the y what is the number. Like that we will write here. So here 1 already in the y-axis means y coordinate is 1. Now towards x-axis we need a point. Towards a perpendicular horizontal line we have the point what? 0. 0 is a point. That means x-axis will be 0. Saying like this, all the points have coordinate in the y-axis. X coordinate will be 0. Okay, if it is -1, 0 -1. Okay, if it is -3, 0 -3, like that. Only in that line itself. Okay, the line itself, x-axis have y coordinate 0, y-axis have x coordinate 0. Okay, now if we have a line parallel to y-axis, okay, if we have a line parallel to this y-axis, and here in this line, in this parallel line, coordinate of any point, okay, for example, here we can mark one point, here we can mark one point, here, okay, in all these points, one speciality is there. Can you say what? In all these points, x-axis will be what? Same. Okay, x-axis will be same. A line parallel to y-axis. A line parallel to y-axis, and any point in this line, x-coordinate will be same, because from here, okay, it is from 4 towards up and towards 4, from 4 it is going. That means x coordinate will be same. Okay, x coordinate will be same, and depending on the y number, y will change. If this is the point, y coordinate will be, it is 1, 4, 1. Next will be 4, 2. Then 4, 3. Towards down 4 -1, like that. That means coordinate of any point in a line parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, x will be same. Parallel to y, x is same. Okay, x coordinate will be same. Similarly, if we have a line parallel to x-axis, okay, this line and this x coordinate x-axis are parallel. So any point parallel to x-axis, any point in a line parallel to x-axis, which coordinate will be same? Let's check. If this is a point, okay, if this is a, so many points we can mark here. Okay, it is continuing. Okay, towards here also we can mark the points. Suppose if this is a point, what will be the coordinate of this point? Its x-axis is 2. Okay, x coordinate is 2. Then y coordinate is what? 3 here. Okay, 2, 3 will be, because from 3 it is moving. Now second point, this point x coordinate is what? In the x line it is 3. So 3. Y coordinate of this point is the same, 3. Okay, 3, 3. Then next point, this point x coordinate is 4. Y coordinate is what? Same, 3. Okay, because y ends at the point 3. Now towards the left side, x-axis is what? -1. So point is -1. Y coordinate is what? 3. Next is what? -2, 3. Okay, now when you check all the points, you can see the coordinate have second point as the same. That means y coordinate as same. So parallel to x-axis means y coordinate will be same. Okay, parallel to x-axis, y coordinate will be same. Parallel to y-axis, which one will be same? X coordinate will be same. Okay, depending on the coordinate it will change, but x-axis means y will be same and y-axis means x coordinate will be same.
Now let's move on to problems. First activity, first question. Total 5 sub-questions are there.
First question is y coordinate of any point on the x-axis. Okay, any point on the x-axis, what will be the y coordinate? Okay, y coordinate will be what? In this line, only changes in the x numbers. Okay, y, there is no change. That means y coordinate is what? 0. As I explained, y coordinate of any point on the x-axis is 0. On the x-axis, in the line itself, not parallel line or something, just in that line, y coordinate will be 0 if it is in the x line. Second sub question, x coordinate of any point on the y-axis. In the y-axis, any points, x coordinate will be what? In the y-axis, x coordinate will be what? 0, again 0. Okay, next is coordinate of origin. Third sub question, coordinate of origin. That also I explain what is the origin coordinate. It is 0 0, ordered pair 0 0. Okay, ordered pair 0 0. Now fourth sub question is y coordinate of any point on the line through 0 1 parallel to the x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis through which point? 0 1. So 0 1 means 0 in the x coordinate. Okay, first one 0 means it is x point and 1 is y point, positive. That means through this point. This point, through this point we can draw a line parallel to x-axis, means this will be the line. Okay, this will be the parallel line. And here what will be the y coordinate? That is a question. Y coordinate of any point. Any point mean whatever be the point in this line, its y coordinate will be what? Parallel to 0 1. What will be the parallel line? I told you y coordinate parallel to x-axis means which point will be same? Parallel to x-axis means y coordinate will be same. Okay, y coordinate will be same. So here it is through 0 1 means y coordinate is what? Y coordinate is 1 here. So for all the point this 1 will be the y coordinate. So answer is 1. Next is x coordinate of any point on the line through 1 0 parallel to the y axis. 1 0. 1 0 will be where? 1 is in the x axis, y is in the 1 is in the x-axis and 0 is in the y-axis. So 1 x-axis means from here, 1 0 point will be here, y-axis here, 1 here means this is the point line. Okay, this is the line. Now in this line, what will be the x coordinate of any point in this line? Whatever be the point, what will be the x coordinate? That is parallel to which line? Parallel to y axis. Parallel to y means which coordinate will be same? X coordinate will be same. That means here x coordinate is what? 1. 1 is the x coordinate. That means answer is 1 here. Okay, parallel to y axis means x coordinate will be 0. Parallel to x axis means y coordinate will be 0. So this is the first first question's answer.
Next is question number 2. Find the coordinate of the other three vertices of the rectangle below. One coordinate already given for 3. Okay, we have to find the 3 coordinates.
Here in this question, one rectangle is given in the first quadrant. Okay, here first quadrant is given 4 3. One rectangle. Okay, and we have to find the coordinate of other 3 points. Okay, this rectangle's other 3 points coordinate we have to find. Other 3 points means this 0 point or point A, B, C. Okay, these 4 vertex. Okay, so we have to find the coordinate of each and every point. So first let's consider 0. What is the coordinate of this point? This is origin point. That means our point is 0 0. First one we got 0 0 as it is origin. Next is A. Now to get A, only one coordinate is given here, that is 4 3. Okay, what do you mean by this 4 3? I told you first one is distance towards right position. Okay, so this number will be 4 means x coordinate. 4 means x coordinate means the number in this point will be 4. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 it's not given in the question. Okay, I just draw number line, then I am explaining. Okay, so here 4 means this perpendicular line will end at the point 4. So this point will be 4. So A coordinates point will be, x coordinate will also be what? It is a point in the x line and 4 is the first point will be. Then y coordinate will be what? All the points in the x coordinate have y axis what? 0. So 4 0 will be the A coordinate. So A coordinate is 4 0. Next is C point. Now C point means here the y coordinate is what? 3. Here y coordinate is 3 means this height will end at what? 3. Okay, this this parallel line, this line will end at the point y, at the point 3 in the y axis, at the point 3 this 3 will end. Okay, likewise we are marking the coordinate, okay, towards the x-axis and towards the y-axis. X-axis 4, y-axis 3 means this point will be 3. So this coordinate will be what? C coordinate. Y number is 3. So x number will be what? In the y-axis, all the points will have x coordinate 0. So 0, then 3. Okay, so C is 0, 3. Like this we can mark the point. Okay, so here C 0, 3, then here 4, 0. B coordinate already given 4, 3. Then next is origin.
Next is question number 3. In the rectangle shown below, the sides are parallel to the axis and origin is the midpoint. What are the coordinates of the other 3 vertices?
Here in this question, one rectangle is given with one coordinate as 3, 2. Okay, only one coordinate is given. We have to find the coordinate of other 3 vertices. Let's mark the vertices as A, B, C, D. Okay, out of this only C coordinate is given. And one more thing is given, all the lines are parallel to the axis. That means these two lines are parallel to y-axis, and DC and AB, these two are parallel to x-axis. Okay, now rectangle, O is the origin, that also given. Okay, O is the origin means this 3, 2 coordinate. That means this point will be what? 3, 2 means this point will be 3 and this number will be 2. Okay, this number will be 2. Now towards down, okay, towards down we know it is negative numbers. So here total 3, this point will be what? Coordinate of this point. How we will find the coordinate of this point? It is given parallel line. Okay, that means CB is parallel to y-axis means which coordinate will be same? Parallel to y-axis. CB parallel to y-axis means x coordinate will be same. X coordinate will be same. So x coordinate is what here? 3 is the x coordinate. So here also x coordinate will be 3. Now we need y coordinate. Okay, keep it like this. Now next one, CD. Let's consider CD. This CD is parallel to which axis? CD is parallel to x-axis. CD parallel to x-axis means which coordinate will be same? Parallel to x means y will be same. That means in this D coordinate, y coordinate same, that is 2. Okay, y coordinate same, that is 2. Now it is rectangle. Okay, it is rectangle. Now from 3 to this position, this height is what? This height is 2. Okay, as we know 3 centimeter towards means this height will be y. Okay, 2 centimeter. Now towards down also it will be what? Same rectangle. No, through the origin it is cutting. So 2 centimeter height here means 2 centimeter height will be here also. That means if this is 2, this will be what? Minus 2. Okay, downwards y-axis is negative. Okay, so minus 2. So this coordinate will be what? Y coordinate will be minus 2. 3 and minus 2. Okay, now here also y coordinate we got 2. Now x coordinate means this point. Okay, this point. Now here this is 3 means same will be here also 3, but sign is different because towards left. Okay, 3 here means this will also be 3, that is minus 3. Okay, second quadrant, so second quadrant means minus 3, 2. Okay, minus x and y. Now third quadrant all the numbers are what? Negative numbers. So x number is what? Minus 3, y number is minus 2. Okay, so a coordinate is minus 3, minus 2. Now you can check, in this line all the x are same, in this line also all the x are same, minus 3, minus 3. Now in this line DC all the y are same, 2 and 2. In this line parallel to x-axis AB, minus 2, minus 2. Okay, this is the answer.
3 more question is there in this activity, that let's do in the next video. Hope you understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.